Disasters can strike at any time, anywhere, including in your community. Whether you need to leave your home or shelter in place, having a proper emergency kit that is portable and easy to find will ensure you have what you need to keep you and your household safe. In this video, we will look at what you need to build an emergency kit. In an emergency, basic services like your water, electricity, gas, and phone service may not work. An emergency kit can provide essential necessities for you and your loved ones. Water is important for drinking, cooking, and sanitation. You will need about 4 liters per person per day. Include small bottles that can be carried easily. You will also need food. Use some that won't spoil. Include a manual can opener and add items like baby formula and pet food if you need them. You may lose power in an emergency. Your kit should include a flashlight and a radio to stay informed. Pack extra batteries or buy the kind that can be manually powered. You will also want chargers for your mobile devices. If you lose electricity or cellular networks are down, your cordless home phone or mobile device may not work. Consider having a phone with a cord just for emergency use. Your emergency kit wouldn't be complete without a first aid kit. It should include the basics like bandages, antiseptic wipes, protective gloves, pain relievers, and face masks. Now let's look at some items that may be less obvious. It may be difficult to get prescription medications during or even for a while after an emergency. If possible, include enough medication to last a couple of weeks. Also consider what specialized equipment may be needed for family or household members with limited mobility or special needs. It may also be difficult to get cash from banks. If possible, have enough to cover your basic needs for a few weeks. Lastly, keep copies of important documents like birth certificates, wills, passports, and insurance policies in your kit. Remember to include a copy of your emergency plan plus contact information for friends and family who may be able to help. Keep your emergency kit ready by replacing any items that might expire, like food, water, batteries, and medications, at least once a year. It may seem like a lot, but you probably already have many of the items you need. Print off an emergency kit checklist, and the next time you're running errands, just pick up a few items to add. Or you can buy a prepackaged kit. It's everyone's responsibility to ensure your household is prepared in case of an emergency. With a little preparation, you can be ready for anything. Get started at getprepared.ca. A message from the Government of Canada.